texture of the napkin. Okay, then so let's start, my amigos and amigas, and put it. Okay, this one. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this steam eye mask. I just bought this from a Don Key store just last week, and I used this for 5 days because, my amigos and amigas, in one box it only contains 5 pieces, because after a long hours of working, our eyes get tired, or we ourselves are tired too, and also editing some video for our YouTube channel, of course we may get tired. So as for me, my amigos and amigas, this one is very good because steam eye mask is for eye relaxation, not for just only for the eye bags. It's for the eye relaxation and soothing. It relieves common stress from the eyes and fatigue. Also, if we have some fatigue in the eyes too, okay? And not just, mask, it's only for the eye, not for the whole face, because it's mainly concentrate, because it says in the box is steam eye mask. So my amigos and amigas, let's review on what can I say about this in just 5 days, okay? So my amigos and amigas, this one is relieves and refreshes our tired eye, because the one that I bought, my amigos and amigas, is a Japanese cypress scent. Well, the scent, I'm loving it because it's like you're in a forest. It's a very soothing smell, I can say. And aroma, well, it says here, aroma. Okay, and it's a limited edition. Actually, my amigos and amigas, this one has many scent, lavender, rose, like that. And okay, so this eye mask, my amigos and amigas, it warms up upon opening. So when you open this one, inside of it, it starts to heat up already. Around 40 Celsius steam heat for approximately 20 minutes. So we use this one, my amigos and amigas, in our eyes for only 20 minutes. Not that too long, because it will damage our eyes. That's what it says according to my research and Google, my amigos and amigas. And gently steam envelops your eyes and helps to relax our eyes. For me, my amigos and amigas, I use this when lying down, because really it's so relaxing. Relax your body, mind, soul, and even your eyes. And with this steam mask is very the best, I can say. Okay, so superior and gentle texture for more comfortable feeling. And actually, when I use this too, I kind of fell asleep. So my amigos and amigas, you should alarm your phone for 20 minutes so that it will not stay too long to your eyes. Okay, alarm it, don't forget that. Okay. I show you my Amigos and Amigas on how to use this one. So first we have to peel it, okay? Because upon peeling it, my Amigos and Amigas is starting to heat up already. Okay, so peel it. Okay. I can smell already my Amigos and Amigas. And it's starting to heat up just like it says. Okay, so it's like a texture of a napkin. Okay, then we must in a hurry make my Amigos and Amigas because the heat we must preserve it to put in our eyes. Okay, then this one you have to remove, and the line here, by the way, is in the nose bridge here. So let's start my Amigos and Amigas and put it. Okay, this one. So I can feel the steam in it, and it's really good one, my Amigos and Amigas. It's relaxing, but I'm not lying down, so I'm just gonna chair. So like this one. Okay, so we wait for 20 minutes, my Amigos and Amigas. It will last long. Okay, you can smell it already. Okay, 20 minutes.
A few inches later.
You should try it, my Amigos and Amigas. It's really amazing feeling. That's the smell. Then remove it. Okay. So my Amigos and Amigas is already done already, the 20 minutes. So this one. Okay, or leaves it. So let's review it, my Amigos and Amigas. So let's review it, my Amigos, on what can I say on this Team Eye Mask. Okay, the product, by the way, my Amigos and Amigas, this one is very good. It's very soft, just like a sanitary napkin, you can say. Just really, it's very soft. Okay, I like it because it's very comforting to your eyes when you apply it. And this one is for the notch to your ears. Really is good because it will stay to your ear and it will never fall down. So this one, and also this one, the notch. A while ago I'm using this, I cannot properly position the notch in my nose, so but this one should position. Okay, so this one. So if you're gonna ask me, my Amigos and Amigas, on my rating on this Team Eye Mask, it will be 10 out of 10. Why, my Amigos and Amigas? Because in just using it for just 5 days, I can feel the effect, soothing, relaxing, tired at work. I don't know if you can say that I feel sleepy when I use this one. So you have to turn on your phone 20 minutes alarm because you might fall asleep. That's what I do. Okay, so don't don't stay for too long for 30 minutes because this one has a heat effect. Okay, it may damage your skin around the eyes, like that might be. Okay, so my Amigos and Amigas, before using this one too, it has a precaution. Good thing they advise it already. It's here in the box. Okay, so precaution before using, my Amigos and Amigas. Do not use this product if you have any eye ailments, especially inflammation, swelling, like that, or other skin products. Check with a doctor or pharmacist before using this product if you are sensitive to it. That is a very good one because you may not know if you're very sensitive to heat. So consult a doctor first. For me, I never consult a doctor because I'm not sensitive to heat. I like it. Okay. And children or people with disable should have an adult supervision before using this because I told you before, my Amigos and Amigas, this is a 40 Celsius steam heat. Okay, so might be dangerous for children. Okay, so must have an adult supervision. Okay, so precaution again, if you're experiencing any irritation or are sensitive around your eyes and using this, stop it, my Amigos and Amigas, because you might be sensitive to this product, so stop it. Okay, and if you're using other masks and eye masks, okay, because should be straight when using this one, not transfer to another. Okay, you know what I mean already. Okay, then do not use a damaged eye mask. This one is have a damage already, like has a tear like that here. Do not use it, okay? It might cause irritation to the eyes. It must be in a safe, I mean not safe, it must be in a complete package. Okay. So my amigos and amigos, my rating on this is absolutely 10 out of 10. I really like it. After work and time to go to bed, I use this. Very soothing for the eyes and very relaxing when you lay down. I absolutely agree to this one. If you're really feeling tired and have some fatigue in your eyes, just buy this. And I think this one is available in some pharmacy or some garden store. It's really the best. Its cost is $5.90 and it's very easy to use, my amigos and amigas, because you just have to unwrap it and like it's like you're wearing a glasses to your eyes like this one. Okay, so this has a string too that I really like. It will not fall down. That's what can I say about this mat. So I absolutely like it. So I'm going there back again to the Don Donkey store to buy like this mat. Okay, so thank you for watching me again, my amigos and amigas. Thank you for supporting always. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.